There's a better way to get the job done. Safe and effective. ENVIROACID is a modern, modified hydrochloric muriatic acid. It's a safer replacement of regular traditional acids. It's eco-friendly, safe on skin, and 100% biodegradable, virtually fumeless, with up to 90% odor reduction. It's also classified as non-dangerous goods. An MOH certificate is not required. The circulation looks perfect on this side, and there are hardly any fumes at all.
ENVIROACID HD is used by industry for water treatment and drainage. For marine and shipping operations, it supports tank cleaning and cement industry applications. Across industrial facilities, scale, lime, rust, cement residue, and mineral deposits can reduce performance and increase maintenance challenges. Safe, biodegradable, and eco-friendly ENVIROACID HD is effective in water treatment, helping clean boilers, heat exchange apparatus, and pipelines. In wastewater and drainage systems, safe, biodegradable, and eco-friendly ENVIROACID HD helps clean pipelines, drainage lines, and black waste deposits. In marine and shipping, ENVIROACID HD supports shipyards, ship repair, seawater cooling systems, engines, and ship tanks. In cement and oilfield industries, ENVIROACID HD removes cement residue, lime, rust, and scale from equipment and pipelines. From heat transfer systems to tanks, drainage lines, and industrial equipment, ENVIROACID HD supports cleaner maintenance across multiple industries. The result is maximum efficiency, restored flow, and a safer workplace for your team. Choose ENVIROACID HD for performance without compromise.